Why don't you the wide angle lens, dude? Dude, your foot got stuck in between it. Show me the footage.
Oh shit. My ass. Fucking damn it. God damn it. Fucking dumbass. Fucking dumbass. Fucking with this shit, I'm not 2 years old. People shit. I'll knock that out of your hand and I don't give a shit.
How would 5
You faggot. Can't. Tyler, move. All right.
even walk? How can he be a 2-year-old?
Right, I feel like Rob Bell.
2 years.
Me, you.
Shit.
That's childish. That's childish. Childish games taking people's shit. No.
Why not? Why are you so obsessed with your cat?
Cause
I know, dude. It's like ugly.
don't want anybody messing with it.
Okay, look, dude. Tyler doesn't care. See? Oh, I'm hitting it again. See, he doesn't really
So
care.
what?
Dude.
So why do you care so much?
Because I do.
How about you care?
Dude, it's only a $32 hat. It's just like the $5.
Only a $32 hat. You don't even have money, Rob. You don't even have money, Rob. You don't even have money, Rob.